Hi everyone and welcome back. So you just got your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. These are the settings that you should consider changing first. You can customize buttons on your Galaxy Watch, but make sure you have selected the right options for them. For example, long pressing the home key turns on Google Assistant, while pressing this key opens recent apps. You can close all the apps at once, and in this way battery life will be conserved on your Galaxy Watch. To remap these keys, simply go to Settings and choose Advanced Features. Here tap on Customize buttons and under press and hold, choose Assistant. While for back key you can choose Recent apps. If you're facing trouble reading any text on the small screen, you can triple tap on Display to magnify, and now you can easily read anything on screen. To enable this option, go to Settings, scroll down and choose Accessibility. Tap on Visibility Enhancements and choose Magnification. Now just turn it on. So whenever you will triple tap on Display, it will be magnified, and you can use two fingers to scroll across display. You can use Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch, but by default it is not turned on. To turn it on, make sure your Google Assistant app is up to date. For that, go to Play Store on your watch and scroll down. Tap on My Apps and check updates for Google Assistant. Once updated, just open it and follow on-screen instructions. After setting up Google Assistant, by default Voice Wake Up is turned on during the setup process. Voice Wake Up is handy for a lot of people, but it will drain battery life of your watch, as the watch is continuously looking for your voice in the background. To turn it off, go to Settings and scroll down. Choose Google, tap on Assistant and turn off this option here. After turning off Google Assistant, you can still use it by long pressing home key. So to enable this shortcut, go to Settings, scroll down and choose Advanced Features. Now tap on Customize buttons. Here under press and hold, you will see Google Assistant. Just choose it. So now it's a lot easier to use Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch. Next setting is related to bedtime mode. It's a great feature that disables accidental touches and screen wake up while you are taking a nap. To turn it on, simply swipe down and choose the first option. Tap on Sleep and enable this option. But a more easier way is to schedule it according to your sleep-wake cycle, so you don't have to set it up every time you are taking a nap. Galaxy Watch has heart fall detection feature that automatically calls your preferred emergency number whenever it detects a heart fall, but by default it is not turned on. To turn it on, go to Wearable application on your phone. Choose Watch Settings and tap on Safety and Emergency. Here turn on heart fall detection, and now you can enter your desired emergency contact number. This is a really handy feature, and I will suggest you guys to turn it on. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 has now a functional temperature sensor, but a lot of people don't know that in order to use this sensor, you need an app that was announced by Samsung, and this is the Thermocheck app. You can download it for free from Google Play Store. Once downloaded, just follow on-screen instructions to find temperature of your surrounding objects. So guys, these were some settings that you should consider changing first after getting your Galaxy Watch 6. Make sure to subscribe, as I'll be posting more cool content regarding Galaxy Watch 6. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.